All right, today we're going to dive into a pretty cool story of transformation. We're talking about how something as simple as data, when you use it right, can completely shake up some of our most old school industries. And really, it all kicks off with one simple, but honestly, really powerful question. I know, sounds a bit dramatic, right? But seriously, what if it could? What if the key to making things way more efficient, to making smarter decisions, what if that key was already sitting right there on your computer, just waiting for someone to figure it out? Well, that's exactly the big idea we're digging into today. Okay, so if you've ever worked in an established industry, maybe something like textiles or manufacturing, you know the deal. You're just flooded with information every single day. You've got production numbers coming in, quality control checks, updates on the supply chain. It's just this constant stream of data. But here's the thing. Having more data doesn't automatically make things clear. A lot of the time, it actually does the complete opposite. And this right here, this phrase, just nails the problem, doesn't it? It's that feeling we all know so well. You have all this information, but it's trapped. It's stuck in these messy, hard-to-read formats. So yeah, you have the data, but it's not actually knowledge yet. It's just noise. So the big question is, how do you cut through all that noise? Well, in the story we're looking at, a hero appears, so to speak. A dedicated digital guide, basically a resource that was built to walk right into that chaos and create a clear path forward for an old-school industry that was really ready for an upgrade. And that guide is the Textile Analytics and AI Hub. Now, what's so important about this is its focus. This isn't some high-level abstract theory. No, it's a practical resource. Its whole purpose is to turn that messy data into real, tangible decisions you can actually use right there on the factory floor. Of course, to make a big change like this happen, you need the right toolkit. And the thinking here is super smart. It's not about inventing some crazy new thing from scratch. It's about using powerful, accessible tools that are already out there to solve these very specific, real-world problems. And the toolkit they put together is actually fascinating because of its range. I mean, it starts with something pretty much everyone has used, Excel. But then it builds from there. You bring in more advanced stuff like Python for really deep analysis, Tableau to make the data look amazing and easy to understand, and even some free AI tools to spot patterns you'd never see on your own. It's really a toolkit that's designed for just about any skill level. So once you have the tools, the focus naturally shifts to the process. This isn't just about crunching numbers for the sake of it. It's about a clear step-by-step journey that takes you from those messy reports to actual concrete business results. And you know what? The whole process really boils down to 3 super powerful steps. Step 1, you take those messy files and you clean them up. Step 2, you analyze that clean data to really understand what's going on. And step 3, you build dashboards to see it all visually and share what you found. That's it. That's the repeatable engine that drives the whole transformation. And this is where you see the huge shift in mindset, right? The old way was just about making a report, a static document that, let's be honest, probably just gets filed away and forgotten. But the new way, it's about creating a living, breathing tool that leads you straight to a decision. It's the difference between just documenting what happened yesterday and actually shaping what happens tomorrow. So why does any of this really matter? Because the results are real. This isn't just about making charts look prettier. We're talking about tracking performance in real time, cutting down on product defects, getting costs under control, and even forecasting what your demand is going to be. You're not just reporting on problems anymore. You're getting ahead of them, maybe even solving them before they start. But you know, the vision here is even bigger than just one person learning a cool new skill all by themselves. The real goal is to build something more, a whole community of people, all working on similar problems and figuring it out together. And this call to action really says it all. It's basically an open invitation that says, hey, your actual real-world problems, that's the curriculum. And that just totally transforms this whole thing from a one-way lecture into a hands-on collaborative workshop. The content is literally shaped by what the community actually needs. It's a perfect feedback loop for getting better and better. And that brings us full circle right back to where we started, with a question. We saw how all this works for a textile factory, but you can see how this idea applies pretty much everywhere, right? It doesn't matter if you're in an office, a lab, or a workshop, the data is there. So the only real question left is, what hidden potential is sitting inside your spreadsheets just waiting to be unlocked?